Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to add my hidden blade asset to your avatar. So first you will want to open this and drag the prefab in. Then you will want to unpack the prefab and drag it onto your avatar. Once you have it there, you can open up these to the arms and have it open up to the hands. Then you can open this up. And then you will want to drag each bone into the avatar's bone. So right hand goes in right hand, lower right arm goes in lower right arm, lower upper arm right goes in upper arm right, and then left hand is the same. Then you can start doing the animations, so you will want to grab the FX, the menu, and the parameter, and you can grab those and drag them into your animation folder so that it's easier to go back and forth. Then you will want to add all these as bools to your avatar parameters. You can just copy and paste. Then you can go here and add a control to your menu for the submenu, and then look for the submenu hidden blade. You can add this picture if you want, little icon. It does not need a parameter, just leave that blank. Then you can move on to FX and add the parameters in the FX. These will all be bools, so you can still copy and paste. Then we can move on to layers and go back and forth through the two different FXs. Then you will want to add weight to 1 and the mask to all of these. Messed up on that. And you can start copy and pasting the contents. Sometimes it will copy weird, so you just need to set state machine to idle. Same here, set state machine to idle. And then the last one, set state machine to idle. And that should be it for the setup. Now you're ready to upload. Now if you want to delete one of the hidden blades, all you have to do is click on which one you want to remove, and you can just delete it and it will disappear. And if you need to move it, it's just taking all these out and then grabbing all of these, or actually you might be able to leave them in and just grab all of them at the same time, and then you can move this around. If you need to like stretch it a little bit, you can grab individual bones and move it around, scale them up if you need to. Apparently scaling doesn't work. You move them around, and there is also in these blend shapes, you can if your arm is a little bit of a different size, you can move these around to kind of get it, like if your arm is a little fatter or wider, you can move these sliders around and try to get it to fit better. And then if you want to change the textures, there's two materials in here. If you want them to be black, you can just change it to black. If you want them both to be white, or you can add your own texture to it just by taking a texture file, changing the color, and then putting it in this slot right here.